All right, hello YouTube. I'm gonna be going ahead installing the Hall Effect joystick here that I got on AliExpress, and I'm just gonna install the right one here because I did see someone else did it previously and it looks like the left one may have some issues. On top of that, it's only the right one that I actually have issues, that is extremely loose. So we're gonna go ahead and get this opened up. Again, if you guys haven't seen it, I've already opened this up in the SSD mod upgrade video there. And we're gonna open it up again, basically the same way. Asus recommends the Phillips zero heads to get the screws off here on the back of the unit. I'm using just a Phillips 1 driver bit here from the iFixit kit just to unscrew it. And then again, remember this bottom middle screw does not come out. And got it all out here. And basically right now I'm just unscrewing literally everything that I can. All right, and let's see. Get that out by hand. And the other ones looks like they're kind of just staying in there. Just kind of shake them to get them out here. All right, and I got them all out. So now we're gonna need a little pick tool so we can get these unclipped. I'm gonna start from where the triggers are to get it removed out. So let's go ahead and pop these clips here. We're just kind of gonna go around till we can get these clips all removed out. All right, looking good. All right, so we're just gonna do the other side here. Okay, well, I'm having some hard time on that other side, so let's see if we can kind of just, yeah, it just came right off. That works. All right, and now we can see the unit, and you can see the actual SSD mod here still in the unit. Again, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is remove the power cable from the power supply here, and it just kind of comes right out. And after that, we have the joysticks here. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for this so you guys can see. There it is. And we're gonna go ahead and try to get these cables removed off here. And they're very delicate, so, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and try to start with this one here. So I know that the little tab here is supposed to go in this direction since I do see those pins. So let me see if I can kind of just lift up. There it is, and it's just removed off. Maybe I should get a little closer for you guys so you can see. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here on the right one. And it just lifts right up there, boom. That's simple. So if you have the right tools, it's gonna be very easy. Now I gotta remove this EFI tape somehow. Yeah, there it is. Well, almost had it. It's kind of, all right, there it is. It's slowly peeling off here. Let's do it with my good hand here, my lefty. All right, and it's just kind of slowly peeling off here. Trying to take my time not to rip it or anything. There it is. And let's see if we can go ahead and remove the other clip here. Or the other tab, I'm sorry. And then, yep, there it is. So let's see if we can get these out. All right, the bottom unit just kind of, oh, there it is, out. And then let's get this other one here. See if we can get it out, and it just, right there, it is out. And let's see if we can get the other one out here. And oh wow, they're all out, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these unscrewed. So let's go ahead and get this. Yeah, I'm gonna need a different driver bit. This one is too thick here, so give me just a moment. This head is way too big here. All right, let's kind of just bring my little bits here. See which one works. The Phillips one does not. Let's go ahead and test out maybe the Phillips 00. Oh yeah, perfect. So let's go ahead and put this bit on. And let's see if we can get this taken out here. I know my hand's in the way, but I'm literally just unscrewing a screw here. If it'll come out. And all right, it is just kind of, oh, there it is. Got one. Let's kind of move this. Maybe unzoom a bit here for right now. Got the other. And let's see, so we got 2 left here. My big hand's in the way. All right. We got the last one here. All right, perfect. So let's see if we can just, since all the screws are removed, remove the unit here. I don't see any other issues. Let's see if it'll just kind of come out. See if I can maybe just push from the end. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It just kind of pops right out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the side, and here's the joystick PCB here. So again, we're gonna start with the little tab here. And that's simple. And then we're just gonna unscrew it here. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. And man, my big hand in the way again. Let's see if we can just kind of zoom out. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, I don't know of any other way to do this other than you guys seeing my big hand in the way here. Okay, big mistake. Forgot to remove the ribbon cable first. But luckily it was already loose, so that's good to go. Now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take this, I don't know, that right off. So I can then place it on the Hall effect one, but I'm just gonna put these hand in hand just to see what these look like. They look the same, obviously different colors and all that, but nothing too crazy here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get this cable in the unit. All right, this is gonna be interesting. How to get this ribbon cable back in. I don't know if it's in or not. I don't know. Interesting. All right, well, the only way to test it out is to push this down and see what happens. Okay, and is it in there snug up? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. All right. Let's see, what can I do here? All right, let me zoom in here so you guys can, or zoom out, zoom in. Yeah, zoom in. I'm sorry, guys. And I'm trying to get this in here, and it's just like, oh, now it's kind of in by the looks of it. Let's see if I can push this down. All right, is it in there snugly? Yeah, not really, you know, not crazy or anything. All right, let's go ahead and screw this back in. Almost forgot. All right, that feels good. Okay, so that's in there. Just like, oh man, yeah, that's fine right there. All right, we got one in so far, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do the other. Man, this is like yeah, and then just, yeah, it looks like the shadow is hiding what I'm doing here, but I'm gonna put the screw into the hole. If I can. Yep, it's, there it is. Okay. Guys can see it. And I'm just gonna cry now. Oh my God, come on now. Let's do this. Yeah, see, that easy. So put the screw onto the bit, the bit here, because it's magnetic. And there it is. All right. Oh, that feels much better. Yes. Okay, so let's get this back into the unit here. I'm just gonna unzoom out and let's get this back into the unit. I'm not even sure if you guys really saw anything there, but let's get it back in. If I can. All right, come on. We can do it. All right, let's try not to. All right, perfect. Maybe. Well, we won't really know until we actually get it in there. Let me just zoom in for you guys here. It's not all the way in yet. And I gotta figure out why. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but there it is. Just gotta kind of push it in from the right here. Then it kind of just gets in. So everything feels good. Let's get these let's get this screwed back in, and then we'll put the ribbing cables back into the unit here. All right, so let's, again, what I've learned here throughout this is put the screw on the bit because it's magnetic, and then screw it in. Oh, looks like that was not lined up. Is that even still lined up? All right, we have a, Houston, we have a problem here. Okay. Okay, now I'm hearing some good things. Okay, yeah, put some actual force on it, and then actually don't lie it down on here because then it'll push the PCB out. All right, there it is, one screw. I'm gonna go ahead and screw the other one on here really quick. All right. Get this screw on here. All right, this was pretty painless, but I won't know it if it'll work till I power it on here. That ribbon cable seemed pretty secure in there. So we'll see. And I still got these other ribbon cables to get back in. All right, here's the fun part. So, which one should I do first? Let's do this one. Kind of like the first one. There it is. It's just in there. Okay, and get my little tool and push it this way. If it'll just like work with me. Maybe. Come on. There it is. All right, and you kind of feel it click in, which is good. Now we got this cable here with the tape. And then just like, if I can get this tape and just kind of push it in. This tape is so in the way. So move a little bit more tape out. There it is, perfect. And then again, we're gonna push this into this direction here. So we're just gonna, and then till we kind of feel it down there. All right, perfect. And we're gonna put the EFI tape. Ah, come on, EFI tape, why would you do that? It's like it's not perfect, you know. It used to be, you know, but it's just life's not perfect. We're just gonna leave it that way. We're gonna get the most tiniest ribbon cable back in. It seems like these lines right here, like a good guide, like you should barely be seeing that. It seems for the other ribbon cable. So again, yeah, see, you can, it's like a perfect, that line is like, yeah, it's a perfect guide. So these lines, yeah, future reference. But let's go ahead and push this one down. Wow, that one was more, much more better. So let's go ahead and get this back on here. So everything looks good. I'm kind of disappointed about this tape. Maybe I can just, you know, yeah, like that, maybe. Come on, tape. Yeah, oh. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Oh man, okay, it's just not happening. All right, life's not perfect. So let's just get this back onto the unit here. And we'll zoom out for this and get this all maybe a little bit more higher here. Get this all clipped back in. All right, looking good. So let's go ahead and put these screws back into the unit, and then we're just gonna power it on and hope for the best. Oh man. Oh man. All right, well, still gonna keep this on the video. Remember guys, to put the battery cable back into the battery. All right, let's unclip this again. Just, you know, hey, if you guys didn't like it the first time, you're gonna like it the second time here. If you missed it the first time, well, you're gonna get to see it again. We'll just start from these, where the triggers are. And just work the magic, Ay, 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 ay. All right, let's do the same here. Okay, that just comes right out. All right, we'll put the battery cable into the battery because we definitely are gonna need some juice here. If we can just get it in there. All right, there it is. guys, into the unit. Okay, feeling good. Life's good here. Okay, guys, let's put this back on. I am not gonna edit any of that out. It's just gonna be what it is. It is what it is here. Part of the process. You make mistakes. All right. Looking good. All right, let's get this unit screwed back in. Kind of move that a little bit more over here. Okay. All right, and the final screw. Okay. Everything looks good. Perfect. Let's go ahead and power this on. And come on. Just plug it back in here. There it is. Just kind of took a little bit there. All right, let's feel the stick. Oh yeah, so much better. I want to do the left one. This is so much better. Oh man, this is so good. So much better. Now the left one feels like it's loose compared to this right one. All right, well, we'll see if it works here. Everything feeling good. Oh, this is so much better. You don't understand it. All right, let's go ahead and I'm not gonna really calibrate it or anything like that. I'm just gonna play something. I don't even have anything really installed here. Maybe Starfield. We'll launch Starfield here. I'm gonna turn off my lights and we'll just see how this joystick feels here. All right, and I'm just turning up the lights 1 second. All right, so let's give it a shot here. Yeah. All right, something's loading up here. Oh yeah, well, I can move the mouse around. I know you guys can't see that. Oh, now you can with a black background. But that moves around, okay. All right, let's feel a game here. Fallout 4, I mean, I don't got much pre-installed on this here. Starfield would probably take a lifetime for it to launch. Let's hit my library, and I've only got Payday 3. Let's go back to store. Come on. Yeah, Starfield is downloading. Let's check out Steam. Steam, you never let me down. Maybe Doom, yeah, Doom, let's do it. You would never let me down, Doom. You would never, ever let me down. Let's zoom in. All right, I'm logging in here. It's doing its thing. There it is. All right, Steam, big TV, whatever you call it, loaded up here. Let's see if we can get some, Hotline Miami. And I don't have that. I can stream it. Yeah. Okay. No. Nobody got time for that. Doom 2. Okay, we'll install you. I'm not prepared. I'm not prepared for any of this. 1 gig, yay. Come on, 1 gig Doom, really? I'm gonna be out here all day. Let's go to the first Doom. Let's view the library. The first Doom. The original. I don't know if that's any better. 400 megabytes. I was not prepared. Why is it going back to a gig? Why? Why? All right, we're gonna have to. I'm gonna pause it from here, and then I'll come back when this is downloaded, guys. We'll see in about 5 or 10 minutes here. Right, YouTube, welcome back here. So instead of playing a game here, we're just gonna go ahead and calibrate the joystick. So you guys, what you want to do is open up the Armory crate here. You want to go and hit on settings, and we're just going to calibrate here. And since we only did the right joystick, we're going to do a quick calibration here of the right stick. And we're just going to follow the on-screen instructions here. All right, I'm gonna do this about 30 times, and yep, it is done. I'm just gonna play a quick game to test it out, just some Doom here really quick, and make sure everything's working correctly here. Oh, dang, did he just shotgun his guy there? I don't even know. But yeah, we'll roll it here. I did play a bit, so you can see some bodies there. In fact, I think I killed everybody, so let's just go back, teleport really quick here, and just make sure everything is working great so far. So good. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this has been a great quick little mod here. I know it did look, how do I say, intimidating, changing the joystick out compared to just throwing in an SSD, but it was smooth sailing. I mean, Asus made it that way. You can take the joystick PCB out, and yeah, you can easily install in another joystick, and that is very useful because I know a lot of these units, these joysticks have not come in great, very loose, sometimes sticking. So it's great. We can just stick in, holophig joysticks or our own whatever joystick that we want here and just roll with it. So it's been great so far. Yeah, highly recommended. Don't be intimidated to give it a shot here. But yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys, if you guys like the video, like it, subscribe. Definitely would love more subscribers here. But you guys have a wonderful day, and stay safe out there.